Yes, sir. What up, bro? How we doing? Damn.
I saw you. I was driving. I saw you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so hop on.
That's sick, bro. Alright guys, we're back on the KX450 today. I just got some new white gloves, so they're looking nice and fresh. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. Little me would be so proud to hit 1,000 subs. That's like the first like big milestone in my opinion on YouTube. Today I'm just gonna be ripping this thing around in the streets, and we'll try to find some spots, maybe some jumps and stuff like that on the way. Alright, I'm gonna hop on the bike. There's a few things that I want to talk about when I get on the bike. Usually I cut through the path right there, but there's so many people walking today, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go to this one spot that has a little hill climb and like another little jump, I'm pretty sure. So something I wanted to ask you guys is, do you guys want me to start making like a series of me picking up used bikes on Facebook, trying to work on them, and then trying to flip them? Oh shit, does this lead to like a creek or something? I've never been over here. Ooh, oh yeah. That would have been bad. Shit. This would be sick as hell though, if you could come down here, there was like a jump right here over it, and then you can go around. This neighborhood's just being built. This neighborhood's so nice. They got some money over here for sure. I know a lot of you guys want me to start going to tracks, and I definitely will. It's just hard because I don't have a truck, so I'm gonna have to probably rent a U-Haul, but they're pretty expensive because it's like, I think they're like $30 just to, you know, get the truck, and then it's like $1 a mile, I want to say. And I don't live near any tracks, so it's definitely going to be like, I don't know, 150 bucks or something just for me to rent the truck for the day. And I'm not saying I won't do it, but that's just why I haven't done it yet. I definitely will do it for you guys. So I finally got those parts in that I ordered. I got the skid plate and I got the tire. I don't know how to put the tire on though, really, so I'm not too sure if that's something I want to just do by myself. I'm sure it's not crazy hard, but I don't know. I don't want to fuck that up and the tire fall off on me. For Memorial Day weekend, I'm going to be going to my aunt's in Southern Illinois. She's got like 20 acres of land, so I'll be able to make a few sick videos for you guys, just doing like trail videos and some free riding videos. Last night I saw the Planet of the Apes, guys, and that movie was so fucking fire. If you guys haven't seen that, definitely go see it. That's like one of my favorite movie series ever for some reason. Like, I don't know why, I've just always loved those movies. Slow down a bit. It's still kind of early, so I'm probably really pissing off my neighbors right now. Oh shit, a deer! What the hell? That could have been bad. Hey guys, I just wanted to say once again, thank you for all the support on my videos. I know I've been saying it in like every video. You guys are probably getting annoyed, but I'm gonna keep saying it because I really do mean it. Thank you guys so much. Yes, sir. What up, bro? How we doing? Damn. That's fire. What's up, bro? My name's Dylan.
Hold on.
That was fire. You live around here?
What?
You live around here?
What?
You live around here?
Yeah, I live right down the street.
Okay, fire, bro.
I saw you. I was driving. I saw you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so hop on.
That's sick. This guy's sick. Hey bro, pop a wheelie. Yes sir. Let's go. So for some reason my GoPro stopped recording for the last like 15 minutes that I was riding with that guy, but I did not expect that at all, so that ended up being super sick. I ended up getting that guy's number, so you guys will definitely see him in videos moving forward. But I'm gonna get the bike all washed up. It's pretty dirty now after riding through all the wet grass. But until next time, peace out.